Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, Miss Cherries, and thank you for clicking this video. So today I'll be doing my first impressions, makeup tutorials, and also swatches of these new palettes from Viseart. I have the Cashmiere and Bijouxette. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Viseart is a small brand. They don't come out with new products every month. So the last eyeshadow palette that I reviewed was I think 6 months ago. It was Solila Plunge, I think, or the Paris. I don't even remember which one, but it was 6 months ago. So when I saw these new palettes, I was so excited. I had to get both. I just couldn't decide which one. So I have the Cashmere, which is your typical boring shades. I love my boring shades. And then this one, the Bijouxette, which is like really beautiful jewel tone shades inside. I mean, I love both palettes, guys. I mean, I haven't tried the palettes out, but the color stories are so beautiful. So I purchased these on the Beautiful website because of their amazing shipping, and I live close by or nearby to their warehouse. So the shipping was very fast. I paid total like $97 including tax. So the retail for $44 each. You can actually purchase both palettes on the brand's website and also Muse Beauty Pro. I think they had a bundle for $70, I think, cheaper than to buy the palettes individually. I'm not sure if the bundle is still available. I'm still going to link their website, the brand's website, and also Beautylish website. So I'm gonna show you guys the inside of the shade or the palette Cashmere, and this is the, oh my god, this packaging is so gorgeous. So I'm gonna show you the inside, and it says on the website that this is inspired by Cashmere Pure palette. I do not have that palette, but I'm going to pull out a picture somewhere on the screen, and I could see the inspiration of that palette. Then this is the inside of the palette, your typical boring shades. I love the mauve shades. So this is a collection of soft and elegant neutral shades in matte, satin, metallic, and duochrome finishes. So with the Viseart, their mattes, I love their matte shades more than their metallic shades and their shimmer shades, because their mattes are very fine. They look so smooth on my, at least on my list. They are the easiest matte shades that I've tried so far. So I'm very impressed. They're not the most pigmented. They're not very pigmented, but they are very user friendly, very easy to work with. I mean, I can only, think about two brands right now that makes amazing matte shades. So I think this one, Viseart, and what else? Charlotte. I think Charlotte Tilbury. I love her matte shades from her 12 pan palettes. Very smooth. So I'm gonna show you the inside of the Bijouxette. Let me remove this cover, plastic. Okay, and oh my god. These shades, the jewel tone shades, are very dark and rich in person. Oh my god, every skin color can use this palette. And I think maybe the other one too, let's see. But the colors are so beautiful. The colors are so beautiful. Let me swatch the Cashmere first. So this is the shade Bubbles, which is the palest pinky lilac champagne satin shade. I don't see the lilac in here. This one is Laughter. This is a nude beige satin, metallic with a shimmery finish. And then this one, Feather, which is a vanilla with a matte finish. The next one is Pearls, which is a blush tan with a satin metallic shimmer. Burlesque, which is a metallic satin caramel with a duochrome finish. Okay, I made a mistake. So this one is Burlesque, which is a metallic satin caramel with a duochromatic finish. I don't see the duochromatic finish of this one. more like soft satin shade. And then this one is Flapper, which is a dusty plum mid-tone with a matte finish. Next one is Bootleg. Is that how you? Okay, Bootleg. Yeah, it's a sienna mid-tone brown with a matte finish. And then Jazz, which is a light rose gold with a dual chromatic finish. Same with this one. I don't see the dual chromatic finish, more like a soft metallic finish. That's interesting. And then I'm in the last row right now. Okay. Roaring, which is a metallic deep burgundy with a dual chromatic finish. I do not see the dual chromatic finish of this one. 20s, which is a pale lilac with a satin. Oh my god, I mixed it by accident. With a satin metallic shimmer. And then the last shade, I think Cigar, which is a deep espresso. Yeah, deep espresso with a matte finish. So I don't see the double chrome finishes here, more like soft metallic finishes. Next palette is the Bijouxette, which is inspired by the Bijou Royal palette. I do not have that with me, but I'm gonna pull up a picture somewhere on the screen. Same, you could see the inspiration of the palette with this palette. So let me swatch these shades, maybe the last one here. And so the first one I'm gonna swatch is this matte shade. This is a mid-tone beige taupe with a matte finish. It's a matte finish. Oh my god, it's getting okay. So the next shade is Ruby, which is a warm wine tone with a matte finish. Ooh, that's pretty. Carnelian, which is a demi matte mid-tone pumpkin orange with flecks of reflectivity. Ooh, that's pretty. And then this green one is Scandalous, which is a teal metallic duochrome. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so I don't see the duochrome. Okay. I don't see the duochrome finish of this green teal shade. It's more like soft metallic. So I'm gonna move on to the next one. So next shade is Speak Easy, which is a burnt dark chocolate brown shade. This is also, a matte shade. And the next one's Prohibition, which is a antique gold with a demi duochrome metallic finish. Oh no, this is not it. It is the Deco. So raspberry shade. I don't see the raspberry shade on this one. So this one is the Speak Easy. This is the Prohibition. Sorry, antique gold with a demi duochromatic metallic finish. Oh, that's pretty. I'm gonna swatch this one. I'm not sure which one is this one, but this is a beautiful orange metallic shade. I'm not sure the name of this one. I think I may have made a mistake. So this is the yellow orange metallic shade. And then the last row, these really dark, beautiful shades. That's purple. It's so beautiful. So this is Sapphire Cubism. Oh my god, my camera. So this is Cubism, which is a sapphire blue with a demi chromatic metallic shade. Jade, which is a majestic green with a metallic finish. And then Velveteen, mid-tone purple with a dual chromatic finish. with swatches. I'm going to use the Cashmere on my left side. So with the what brush is this one? This is, I think, this is my really old Beach Cosmetics vegan brush. So I'm gonna use this brown shade. Very dusty. So like I said, they don't have the most, pigmented matte shades, but very user-friendly, very smooth, easy to blend. And this is what I'm talking about. That is pretty. That is pretty. It's almost the same color as my skin tone right now, but it's dark enough as a transition shade, at least on my skin tone. Picking up this mauve tone matte shade, and I'm using this brush. I think this is a Morphe brush that I bought a long time ago. Very dusty, like I said, very dusty, but still very easy to blend, and it's not patchy at all. It's spreading evenly. I'm going to deepen it up a little bit more. So this same type powdery, but look at the pigmentation right there. Wow. Wow. It's blending like butter. Wow, this is really good. Going back to this mauve tone shade, so it doesn't really, so the black doesn't overpower the rest of the shade. So next is this, I should say, soft metallic shade, and I'll apply this one on my inner half. Outer half. On my inner half, this shade next to this one is a soft lilac metallic shade, just to make my left eye a little brighter. I decided to put on my foundation, concealer, powder, blush, bronzer. Applied this one on my lower lashes and my inner corners. Applied this really light metallic shade, and so beautiful. I had to charge my camera. All right, so I'm gonna move on to my right side. I'll be using the Bijouxette, and I'm so excited. Okay guys, so everything this side blended together so far. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one before the camera dies again. And okay, so I don't know why I use this brown shade. Okay, so I'm gonna you try this orange on my outer half. I use this same brush. Wow, pretty. This is not a matte shade. It has the really glittery finish on the pan, but on the eyes, on the lid, not at all. This is a very nice, easy to blend orange. This is so pretty. So next shade is this red matte shade. Very pigmented. I'm gonna top off the excess. I'm only gonna apply this one on my inner half because I don't like to apply really dark shadows on my outer half. Sorry, on my outer half, because I'm applying this on my outer half because I do not like to use matte really dark matte shades on my inner half. They look too weird on me, harsh on my face. So this is the red burgundy, I should say. So I'm gonna use these green shades. So I'm gonna take this dark green metallic shade. So I'm gonna apply this one on my outer half, and then this shimmery teal green on my inner half. Get a little bit of fallout right there. Wow, that's pretty. I like the shimmery shade. Not too shimmery, it's more like subtle shimmer, but so beautiful. That's beautiful. I'll be right back to guys my final thoughts about these new palettes from Viseart. Ready to tell you my final thoughts. I am very impressed with what palettes. I highly recommend these palettes, especially Beautylicious is having gift card event right now, so every $100 get $20 gift card, I think. So I highly recommend these palettes. Oh my goodness, formulation beautiful, the ability beautiful, everything blended together. The mattes with a little powdery, little fallout, so you do have to do your eye makeup first, but everything guys blended together. Love the shimmers. The shimmers were not very shimmery like Pat McGrath, very like soft shimmery eyeshadows to look beautiful. The metallics were not very shiny, but you know, more like a settle side, but still very beautiful. So I'm very impressed with these palettes, especially this one if I want to wear something, you know, very bright, loud makeup. I mean, use this one and this one for more like my typical shades, because I love my neutral shades and not something like warm tone neutral, like a mauve neutral. So I like the combination of the neutral and mauve shades from the Cashmere and Bijouxette. I love my jewel tone, so this jewel tone palette is so beautiful. The orange, the red, oh my goodness, the red blended really easily. It wasn't patchy. I was very surprised because usually red shadows, burgundy shadows are very hard to formulate. This red shade blended beautifully. I didn't have issues in anything. I mean, I'm just very happy with these new palettes from Viseart. So let me know guys what you think about these new palettes from Viseart. If you guys are planning to buy something during Beautylish gift card event. So thank you all so much for watching. This is the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.